No chewing.
No chewing.
Yeah, no chewing. No chewing on the window. What's this called?
Shrek.
What's this made of?
Glass.
What are these made of? What's this called?
Block.
What's this?
Ornament.
What's this?
Sock.
Yes, that's right. Can you touch Ophelia? Touch Ophelia. Yes, good boy. What color? What color is this?
Metal.
No, what color? It's not even metal, it's made of plastic. What color?
Black.
Yes, color. Apollo, what color?
Black.
What's this called?
Sock.
What's this called?
It's a block.
What's that made of? Come on, you know that.
Glass.
Touch Shrock. Yes, good job. This is the Shrock. What color?
Red.
What's this called?
Red.
Can you say it better?
Red. Or water.
No, what's it made of?
Shrek.
No.